Get off, start winning. Wake up, losers. You're sitting there, scrolling through TikTok, wasting your life away. The world doesn't owe you a damn thing. You're not entitled to success, you have to earn it. And while you're laying around on your ass, someone else is out there grinding, hustling, taking what could have been yours. You want to know the secret to success? It's not about talent. It's not about luck. It's about hard work. It's about getting off your ass, rolling up your sleeves, and putting in the hours. It's about late nights and early mornings. It's about sacrifices and hard choices. It's about pushing through the pain, the doubt, the fatigue. It's about giving it everything you've got and then giving it some more. So stop whining, stop making excuses, stop distracting yourself with useless crap. Get out there and earn your success. Because at the end of the day, you are the only one responsible for your failures. Make your choice now. Do you want to be a loser, or do you want to be a winner? Because I guarantee you, the winners aren't sitting around watching TikToks. They're out there making shit happen.